Up 9 points. Let's get to London now and to CNN's Atika Schubert. And Atika, if you would, give us an update on the situation with the WikiLeaks founder, Julian Assange. What happened in court today?
Well, basically, the judge has granted him bail with certain conditions, but you would think he would be released, but that's not the case, and that's because the Swedish prosecutor has just filed an appeal, which means that he must remain in custody until basically this has been resolved. So another hearing will be scheduled within 48 hours that will basically hear the prosecution's case on whether or not he should be released on bail. So for the moment, it looks like Julian Assange remains in jail, in custody. He will not be walking out of here tonight. That is a setback for his legal team. They were hoping that because the judge had decided that he could be released on bail, that he would be walking out of here. But he will be here for at least the next 48 hours, it seems.
Well, and Atika, bail set, let me see if I've got the figure right here. Is it £200,000 or the equivalent of 315,000 or so U.S. dollars?
That's right. The judge had set the bail for that amount, but he also set several conditions. For example, Julian Assange would have to be at the residence that he had registered under from 10 o'clock in the morning to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. He would also have to be there in the evening from 10 o'clock until 2 o'clock in the morning, and that he would have to check in with the police every evening. He would also have to hand in his passport to police so that he could not travel anywhere overseas, and he would have to wear an electronic tag to make sure that he was monitored during those times that he was under basically house arrest. So there were quite a few conditions in place already, but clearly the Swedish prosecutor was not happy with that. And I should point out that Julian Assange's defense lawyers are saying the fact that the Swedish prosecutor is not happy is making this a show trial.
Okay, CNN's Atika Schubert for us in London. Atika, good to see you. Let's take a break. We're back in a moment. You're in the CNN newsroom.